Hi there, I'm Marius, and today we are going to set up a Power Pages site, or formerly known as Dynamics Portal. So I am starting here at trials.dynamics.com. This site lets you set up a trial instance of Dataverse. You can skip this part, of course, if you already have a Dataverse instance where you are able to install a portal. But if you don't or you can't use your existing environment, you can start here new. As you can see, I don't have a working account yet, but I can just create one for my one-person company here. And then you need to verify yourself with a phone number, but after that, you are basically just setting up a normal account with Microsoft, and this will get you to your trial instance. So I can start the trial now. This will bring me to the admin Power Platform site, so admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com, where I can create the actual environment. So the tenant is now there. Now we're creating the environment. I just gave it a name like Marius Wodke Trial, I think, and some things are grayed out here. You need to enable the Dynamics 365 apps. And the second thing you need to do is assign a security group for the trial instance here. I just chose none, but if you're working with real environments, you should of course set in a security group for others not to access this environment unless you allow them to. This takes a moment. Well, it was pretty quick, and then we have an environment. So now we don't have a Power Page yet. That's the next thing we are going to create. But first, let's check the environment is working, and it will load a second. Sales apps are installed here, also like customer service. But what we are needing is a Power Page site, and there are currently no Power Page sites. So we are going to create that on make.powerapps.com. You go to apps, and then you make sure you're on the right environment because I wasn't here. And then at new app at the top, you can create a website. So they did name this Power Page, and there you see Portal from blank. So this is also a name for Power Pages, is portals. And then yeah, I just gave it a name here and create. So that took like, I don't know, 25 minutes to do this, and then we can visit our portal. So with browse, I just go to the URL I assigned. I need to enable the app that is used by the portal, but that's it for the setup. So once the page has finally loaded, we will see some demo content of Microsoft. So you can see here they have prepared some pictures, a little bit of content for the home page here. So yeah, that's really just demoing. They have also some sub pages prepared. And if I reload now the Dynamics, there are two new apps. So the Power Page Management and Portal Management. I will choose Portal Management here because I'm more familiar with that app. And on the website, this is the record representing the website. So with its base URL and its languages, and it hosts the web pages. And the web page we are going to edit here is the home page, just to see an effect of an edit. So this has the partial URL of slash, that's just the home page. And if we look at the localized content, because the content of course is different between, for example, German and English, then we can edit the content here. So I've just added a hello world to the topmost text that we saw in the page. So let's save that, and it should appear here at the top where it says or call to action, but it won't. I will refresh here multiple times, but it won't appear, and that's because the portal uses caching. So back at admin Power Platform, we will reload and find our portal, and then if we select it, we can purge cache. So that's an action here in the context menu as well as in the ribbon. So let's purge the cache. And if we now go back to the portal then and refresh again, then we will see that our hello world is there. So we made an edit. And I guess that's it for today.